Here, hold him back where I can see his face for a minute. Hold him back there. Yeah, there you go.
Did you get it?
Uh-huh. It's still taping. Hi there. Hi there, Pumpkin Poo. I can't get his face, sweetie, because you keep putting his face on yours.
I can't blow his belly and not put his face.
Well, you have to lean him back after you blow. We've
it.
ruined this one now. I've talked through it. You're not helping me.
Well, forget it. I can't do it.
No, you.